Meet the sea slugs that chop off their heads and then grow new bodies. The findings of this extraordinary regenerative ability are in photosynthetic sea slugs. Autotomy of the head, the ditching of the entire body, has never been observed in the animal kingdom. The purpose being is to prevent parasites from destroying the organism completely. One of archaeology's great mysteries, nearly solved, as scientists piece together 2,000-year-old computer. The hand-powered, clockwork brass planetarium has befuddled everyone who has beheld it. Researchers may have finally cracked the code on how all the different gearwheels work to build a functioning replica with modern tools. World's first 3D printed school, poised to be built in Madagascar, for half the price of traditional. Maggie Grout's non-profit is called Thinking Huts, and they are fundraising to break ground on a series of modular, honeycomb-shaped schools powered by solar panels, which would be the world's first 3D printed schoolhouses. A world-first arthritis treatment for dogs is being rolled out, and vets are hailing it as groundbreaking. The new biological therapy involves the synthesis of antibody molecules to eradicate pain caused by arthritis. Scotland's dogs will be the first country to benefit across the country distributing the treatments. US cities join movement to dim lights at night, making it safer for migrating birds. Birds use celestial clues to navigate thousands of miles along migration routes. These routes involve passing through some of the largest and brightest cities in America. The light pollution blots out the stars and other navigation points the birds use, causing them to collide with buildings. In China, a jaw-dropping fossil has been found of an oviraptor crouching upon 24 eggs, containing fossilized embryos inside, with 7 containing babies mere hours from hatching. This oviraptorosaur, from a group of bird-like theropod dinosaurs that thrived in the Cretaceous period, turned out to be an absolute diamond. In an encouraging flip of the narrative, an experiment demonstrated that basic income recipients in a California city showed intelligence and ambition, not lethargy. The randomized, controlled trial in the city of a no-strings-attached cash injection to alleviate the difficulties of living in the lower income class. The project is called SEED. If you like our contents, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel.